Okay, now I'm gonna post this last two lines, which is employer allowance bit. So that is gonna be 7,006, and I will write ER April 2017, and this is gonna be on the credit side because nominal code. See the nominal code. This nominal code is called expense, and it is hitting profit and loss. I will put 653.77. This is, let me tell you again, you are going to reduce the cost for the employer because employer is getting allowance for its employer NI up till £3,000. Okay, the next one is gonna be 2211. If you write employer NI April 2017, and this is liability, so liability will cancel its uh, when it comes on the debit side. 653.57. Okay, so here we have this um, payroll journal. Okay, one more thing, if you just save it, it is gonna be posted, and here you don't see any cost here, but once we post you will see the cost hitting the correct nominal codes. Before saving it, I'll just have a look quickly so all the nominal codes are correct. And if you want to just memorize this journal, so every time you're posting you don't have to type in there, you quickly go to memorize and make it SJ, and here you can put salary journal. Yep, and you can just save it. If I don't save it and I just close it without saving, I'll say no. And if I go back to journal and I click on recall, and here it is gonna be my salary journal, I will just load it and you will see all the figures. Okay, I just need to change the date. Don't forget to change the date, otherwise it's gonna go into wrong month, which will affect your management reports in the end. Okay, what you can do is before putting any cost, you can just put all the nominal codes like this and just memorize it and recall it all the every time again you want to post payroll journal, and then put the post a cost again and then simply post it. So I'm gonna just click on save, and it goes into their respective nominal codes. If you want to see the breakdown, you can just click on overheads and then click on gross wages. Of course, we are not going to have anything in employer and I because we put the expense on the debit side and then expense on the credit side, which cancels each other. But if you just want to see the activity, you can just quickly on click on double click on here the nominal code, and if you go into activity, you will see the first it's going to be employer NI, and the second one is going to be employment allowance. If you want to do your more research in employment allowance, you can go to HMRC and do your research. Okay, and the next part is going to be the balance sheet, which is here. If you go to current liabilities, you will see the payroll taxation, which is payees here. NI will be here, but here you will only see employee NI because we have already cancelled employer NI with employment allowance. If you want to see the activity quickly, you will see it here. So this is employee NI, and this is employer NI, and this is employment allowance. Okay, and after the last one was wages, and this is wages. If you click on this one, you will see the wages here. Okay, this one was your payroll journal, and this is how you put your payroll costs in the stage. There can be different aspect to this payroll journal. If you want to put the cost for individual employees into, let's say you want to put week in different departments, it will make a video where you are putting the individual employees cost into different departments, but for that we'll have to make the departments by going in here. Okay, this is all for the for for this video, and then in the next video I will show you how to offset these liabilities which are appearing here, how to offset with these liabilities through bank or through cash. Some companies they pay, they pay their employees in cash, and most of the companies they pay their employees in the bank. But of course, you have to pay the this is your HMRC liability, and you pay HMRC through bank. In the next video, I'll show you how to offset these payroll liabilities. Thank you very much for your time.